Troubleshooting an LG phone that will not charge.
Logo, LG, life's good. An LG phone screen appears next to a battery icon with a line crossed through it.
If your LG phone will not charge, the first step in troubleshooting is to try to reboot the phone. If rebooting the phone does not work, then you should check the charger itself. Try plugging the charger into a different outlet. If using a different outlet does not work, then try a new USB cable. LG recommends using the cable and adapter provided with the phone. If a new charger is not available and the current charger is still not working, then try using it to charge a different device.
A laptop.
If the charger works with another device, then check the port on the phone with charging issues for debris, such as dust or lint.
The widest horizontal port on the bottom of the phone is circled.
If you find debris, clean it out with compressed air or something soft like dry toothbrush bristles. If none of these troubleshooting steps work, then the phone needs to be sent in for inspection and repair. Go to lgmobilerepair.com or contact LG customer service to have a return authorization submitted.
LG Mobile Repair website.
If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.
LG support website. Logo, LG, life's good. Text, learn more at lg.com.